Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Ha.
Back off, he's all mine.
That's right, I know y'all are jealous. We wanted to do a quick Thanksgiving video because we're not going to be around. We'll be out camping in Montgomery, Alabama for Thanksgiving. So at the time this video comes out, we'll already be there in Montgomery, Alabama, doing some camping and some sightseeing around for the Thanksgiving holiday. And we just wanted to let you guys know, friends and family who are watching, that we are very thankful to have you, and we're thankful for everybody who watches us. Appreciate you. And we are also thankful for our men and women in uniform who are not able to be home this holiday season because they are deployed downrange, fighting for our freedom. We know exactly how that feels because we have spent many holidays apart. Me being deployed and her being home without having me there. So we are thankful for all of you who are not able to spend the holiday with your loved ones. And we are also thankful for our first responders, our men and women who serve us locally, our firefighters, our police officers, our EMS, because we know a lot of those folks are not going to be able to spend the holiday with their loved ones either, because they will be out there keeping us safe from harm and making sure we get to the hospital and taken care of if the need arises. I know some people are going to probably overeat, and anytime there is families get together for the holiday, there's always a potential for injury. What are you thankful for?
Oh God. I feel like I'm a kid again.
Yeah, what are you thankful for?
I am thankful for my RV.
Yeah.
I'm very thankful we were able to make this purchase.
Yes. We are also thankful.
And we'll make new memories.
Absolutely.
In this home.
Yeah. We're thankful that we're going to have the opportunity to do it, to go full time and go out and see the country and all that good stuff.
Yes.
I'm thankful for you.
Oh, see, you're just nah. It's like the easy answer.
Yeah, but I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful that you put up with my crap and let me wear crazy hats on YouTube.
I dish out the same, if not more, crap. So.
Yeah. So I'm thankful for our daughter, who is graduating in May.
Very thankful.
I'm thankful that she's really grown up a lot in the last year, and I was a little concerned, you know, they're going into like into the sophomore, into the junior year and things like that, but she's really gotten her head on straight, and I'm thankful that she is really grown up. She's like an adult now, and I'm proud.
Kind of, but not really.
Yeah, but I'm proud of her, and I think she's going to do really well, and excited to see what the next chapter for her is going to look like when she goes off. And I'm thankful that we get to spend this last Thanksgiving together with her before she heads off to college, because with her going off to college and us going onto the road, we don't know when the next Thanksgiving is going to be that we'll be able to spend together. So we're thankful that we will get to spend this one together, and we'll bring you guys along. What else are you thankful for?
That her school is paid for.
Yes, very thankful that her school is paid for. We're thankful that we have the technology available today to be able to share stuff like this with our friends and family when we're not able to be with them during the holidays. So to all of our friends and our family, and for everybody watching, all of our subscribers, thank you for watching, and have a very happy Thanksgiving. We hope that you get to enjoy your day.
So well said.
Is that a wrap? Thanks, guys. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you later.
Gobble gobble.
Bye.